So that's what the water looks like. Here's the rebar. I cleaned it off. When I knocked the piece of tape off the bottom, you can either stick it back on there, or this is how you make it. It's very simple. I use Gorilla Tape. Black electrical tape would work. You just want to make sure that the piece is dry so that it at least adheres. The whole purpose, actually, let me just flip it over. The whole purpose of doing this is to keep the ends of the rebar from touching the metal on the inside of the tank, because then it would short, it would actually start eating away at the tank, but what it does for my setup is it blows my fuse when that happens. That's also the purpose of these, so that the rebar doesn't touch the sides of the tank. This was the best system that I found, that was the cheapest. I wear gloves. You don't need to wear gloves. I just don't like getting dirty. There's nothing toxic about any of these chemicals. This is washing soda, so it's detergent and water and rust. It's not going to do anything to you. You do want to make sure that your plastic pieces are in the water. Otherwise, I found that it tends to short, which means it blows my little safety fuse that I have here. This is I think a 10 amp fuse that I've got there. It took me a while to figure out how to do this, and I'm glad I was using that fuse, because it is electricity. I haven't been shocked at all with this setup. Let's see. I also don't touch the metal tank when the thing is on too.